Trap Squad,
Njazami,
yenu lena majida,
niyazi man,
girls,
sengustunzi,
benzacela sibambane,
sisonke kule
ube
ndlela,
sihlale sisonke.
thini, if ukhona ingxaki,
We are blends,
sizowufosa.
Trap Squad baba, Stungs, Dear Trap Squad, zinja zami ningawari, konke kuzolunga sazophatha yonke imali siyasemera uta. Sobe ngicela ningakhali, noba ngaba mnyama usazosikhanyisela umjali. V, Mr. Produce uyazi, you know how we met, maybe nami ngengakwazi neshini. Mzini na uyazi, we really had plans and isazombela igasi. Joda, triple girls ningasabi, sebenza kanzima ukuze jabula abazali. Cha wemakeba bengisacela ungabi stressed, bonke labo mrapa sazobablesa ngevesi. Nande, yo andazi ngini, all I can say bengisacela ungancami, keep going. Bengisacela ungancami, keep going.
Guys, like you're gonna ease bows, achieve it, but just to begin something comes now. The feelings of fears. That's all I can say.
Thank boy. Namhlanje ngizothama kahle. Nginathama kahle phela Nkosi yami. Umuntu ayeplane kanje ukuthi oshaya kanti abanye abantu bamdinga but-ke sithule cause siyazi ukuthi sizophumelela noma kunjani sizophumelela. uNkulunkulu usithanda sonke. uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukusibona sonke amaphupho efenzeka mara
Yeah, Trap Squad, it's not a short chain. Kumele sinyamezele, singadinga, asiyiphushe le nto till we make it in life. Yango, thank you for
it will be very challenging because abanye they will support us, abanye they will demotivate us, yabo into ezikanjalo mashini negative and all that stuff. But now we have to know deep down in our heart ukuthi sifuna yabo and keep pushing positive vibes never lead to dango. And like you say, you're doing right, track yakho yazokungikhala like iyamotivate nje kakhulu sabo sayibulela lonto. And guys, ndibuyele lento yaphezulu, asithemba khona omnye olahle ithemba cause asizude siqonde phansi iyanto thina ininzi into esazoyifeza elifini yabo masihlala nje sisonke. Ayikho into engeke siyi-accomplish yabo guys. Hayi mna shemkwelami icala ndihappy nje nokudibana nani guys. Yinyitsho nje elifini yami cause beningazixelelanga uba mna yonke lento emusic ngikade ndiyenzi. Nangoku andikholeli uba mna ndonke ndiyakwazi ukujokana nemic ndikhuphe iculo. Hayi guys, hayi andanoma mandithini kuni.